Hey guys, my name is Shashwat and I'm a legal intern at LEXIS and Company. Today I'll talk about the case popularly known as the Taj Trapezium case. It was actually originally called MC Mehta versus the Union of India. But as it is involved with the Taj Mahal and the area around it shaped in a trapezium of about 10,400 square kilometers. It was named as the Taj Trapezium case. So, as you all know, the Taj Mahal is one of the most attractive and beautiful architectures of India. Once this MC Mehta went to visit Taj Mahal and he saw that the marble which is on the exterior of Taj Mahal is getting a little yellowish day by day. So he researched and he came to a point where he could see that why this yellowish touch is getting on and on Taj Mahal. He came to a final decision by himself that the industries that are around that 10,400 square kilometers of area the trapezium formed, the industries that are giving out the pollutants are making that marble yellowish. So the arguments of the petitioner MC Mehta were that the foundries, the chemical industry and the refineries are the sources of the damage to the Taj Mahal, and gases like sulfur dioxide emitted by these industries combine with oxygen with the help of moisture in the atmosphere and result in acid rain, which is corroding the effect of corroding effect, which is acting as a corroding effect on the marble of the Taj Mahal. Then secondly, his argument was also that the damage to the marble used on the Taj Mahal is visible. The yellow touch is pervading the entire monument, and at some places of yellow spots are magnified by ugly brown and black spots. Thirdly, he also mentioned that Taj Mahal is a monument of international repute. However, it is on its way to degradation due to the atmospheric pollution. Thus, the petitioner sought to directions from the court to the authorities to take effective measures against the concerned polluters. So, after he taking a look in this case, the court came to a final judgment. The court in its final judgment said that the Taj Mahal is threatened with the deterioration and damage not only by the traditional cause of decay, also by changing social and economic conditions, which aggravate the situation with even more and more phenomena of damage and destruction. The court took into consideration reports of various experts, authorities, and found out the emissions generated by the industries are in fact air pollutants which have corroding effect on the marble used on the Taj Mahal. And not only this, the people living in that Taj Trapezium zone have a major effect of that pollutants on their living. So the atmospheric pollution in the Taj Trapezium zone must be reduced at any cost. So the court, by relying on the precautionary principle, held that the environmental measures anticipate and prevent the attack and cause environmental degradation. The onus of proof is on an industry to show that its operation with the with the aid of the coke or the coal is environmentally begins. It is rather proved beyond doubt that the emission generated by the use of coal by the industries in the Taj Trapezium zone are the main polluters of the ambient air. The court further held that 292 industries shall change over to natural gas and as an industrial fuel and by replacing coal. The industries which are not in the position to obtain gas connections shall be functioning with the aid of coal and may relocate themselves, because in Taj Trapezium zone it is no longer okay to run these type of industries. So this was the final judgment of the Supreme Court for this Taj Trapezium case, and I would like to comment that the judgment became a landmark one for the environmental law jurisprudence in India. Really, the authorities reported a significant reduction of suspended particulate matter, which is one of the pollutants causing discoloration of Taj Mahal. The judgment is also commendable move of Supreme Court, since the court has not only ordered for more effective and countermeasures, but also kept the rights and benefits of employees working in the industry secure. So recently the Supreme Court bench on 31st July 2018 cancelled all industrial expansion that the government had allowed in the Taj Trapezium zone. This order of the court reflects strict attitude of Indian judiciary towards protection of archaeological monuments and reducing our pollution in the country. Thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe and share.